it's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video. It is the June sub box unveiling reveal, plus I'm also going to reveal the mystery kit that's going out for this month because we've had some requests that we do that. But first of all, I'm going to do the sub box, which I'm really excited about. There's a few new things in here as well, and it's very different to last month because last month was very modern and minimal and marble, and this month is kind of a bit different. It's vintage inspired, has a lot of rose gold elements. The patterns are a little bit more busy and colourful, and yeah, so I thought we'd just get straight into it. So let's put this aside. So the very first thing you get is this washi tape, which I'm really excited about. I think it's really pretty. It's just a lovely rose pattern on a teal sort of periwinkle blue background, and it's got little confetti dots as well. And I showed this on Instagram and everyone seems to love it as well. So that's a really pretty feminine washi tape. The next thing is the pen, and it's this rose gold pen. It's got rose gold crystals in it as well, and it's actually the same pen as in our April box, which was this one just in silver. And I just love this pen so much, the way it writes and the kind of weight of it, that I just had to include the same one but in rose gold in this month's kit. So that's the pen that you receive. Next are your divider tabs, and they're just really nice with some gorgeous patterns on them. And as usual, you get 12, so 2 of each pattern. One. So you get some nice kind of florals and a few geometrics in those. So those are all your divider tabs. Next are your quote cards or journaling cards, and they're a little bit different this month because they're actually different shaped. So you get 6 of them, and as you can see, there's little rose gold kind of shapes throughout them as well, just little touches of it. This one says, mindset is what separates the best from the rest. This one is, if other people can do it, you can totally do it too. This one says, stay focused and extra sparkly. This one I think is my favourite. See those little rose gold touches? It says, don't talk, act, don't say, show, don't promise, prove. This one just says, your potential is endless, and endless there is foiled beautifully. And then this last one says, don't stop until you're proud. And you can see there's some elements of the protea, and I think that's how you say it, flower as well, which I'm currently obsessed with. So I love how we included those and the roses. So those are your quote cards. Next is your sticker pack. So with these, you get, the first sheet is 6 full half boxes and some appointment labels, and this is on our vinyl paper, so it's really kind of rich and vibrant printing. Next you get your to do and today headers, and then 4 more full boxes, and then 2 different sized flags. Next are all of your icons and your faux foil headers. You've got your deco sheet, your date covers and some more icons and a little bit more deco. Your washi strips, little things, and ombre heart boxes, and just another set of arrows. Your weekend banner, appointment labels, some more heart checklists, habit trackers, and some more headers. And then your last sheet is your divider tab stickers. So that is the sticker pack that you receive. Next is the sticky notes. And I love how these turned out. So we used a vintage typewriter, and the paper that's coming out is the part that you can write on, and I just think it's really cool, and it can be kind of used as a die cut as well as a sticky note. So that is the sticky note. Then we do have a photo album in this kit. Zoom all the way out. Not photo album, sticker album. So this has a really pretty geometric pattern with like that emerald green in the background, and then this rose gold geometric shape. And then on the inside are just these beautiful roses, kind of vintage style ones. So that is your sticker album. Then there's something that's really exciting and that we haven't done before, is this felt charm. So this is just some felt flowers with some gold leaf touches that you can put on the front of your traveler's notebook. And let me just show you. So the back of it is actually got a Velcro pad so that it can stay on your elastic and not actually do it any damage. So let me just show. So on your TN, what you do is you just place the back of the Velcro like that, and then grab it and just pop it on top. And then it's stuck. So it's nice, it sits there, it's not gonna go anywhere, and it's not gonna ruin the elastic or the TN. So I love, love, love how that turned out. I think it's so pretty with the teal and the mustard and then the pearl in the middle. So that is the new charm that you get. Let me know if you guys like it. I guess it's not really a charm, it's just like a decorative aspect, but I just think it makes it look so pretty. So that's the charm. So you just easily unvelcro like that. Next are your die cuts, and as usual I'll just go ahead and lay them all out. And those are all your die cuts. As you can see, we've actually made them a little bit bigger this month as well. Let me know what you guys think of the size, like if you prefer the bigger size or the smaller ones. I actually quite like the big ones because if you want to put them on your dashboards or anything, you can properly see it. So this here, you've got like this gorgeous book and floral wreath. You've got some girls as usual. I love her with the big protea at the front. And some more florals, roses, vintage typewriter, some couches, a little flat lay of an outfit. Yeah, so those are all your die cuts. Next is something else that we have included before, but we've actually modified it. So this is a little notepad, and on it, at the top, it just says weekly planner. It's got a gorgeous background, and then it's just got Monday through Sunday and then some notes. And it's a bigger size. So in our March box, if anyone got that, this is the planning pad that you received. And I just felt like it was a little bit too small to properly plan out your week. So we made it a little bit bigger, and then much thicker as well. As you can see, you get heaps more pages. So I really love that. I'm just going to be keeping it on my desk just to write like what I need to do for the following week. So that's your weekly planner. And then finally your papers. So the first paper is this hexagonal pattern with lots of different like fleur-de-lis and I think they call it filigree and geometric patterns all throughout it. It's kind of like a patchwork pattern. And then on the back of that, you've got the protea sheet. And as you can see, the patterns are now horizontal because we had a lot of feedback that people tend to use the patterns in their traveler's notebooks and fold it like this. And if the patterns are vertical, you tend to get a kind of strange look to it. So we've tried to make now all of the patterns horizontal, or that you can use them either way. So you can still kind of use it like that as well. So those, you get 2 sheets of that. Then this has to be my favorite pattern. It's kind of got really quick abstract strokes with this beautiful emerald green background, and this is definitely very William Morris inspired, if anyone knows who that is. If not, I highly suggest that you look up his designs. So that's the front, and then on the back you've just got this really nice striped paper with like the mustard and the emerald green and this kind of dark magenta colour, and then you've kind of got a wash to make it look a bit more vintage. So you've got those 2 papers. And then this paper, which is foiled, a beautiful geometric pattern, rose gold foil with another emerald background. And then on the back, you've got these beautiful roses, just more of a vintage style washed finish. Yeah, so that is those 2 papers. And then your vellum has just got some really nice geometric shapes again, or more organic shapes, I guess you could say. And it's just kind of got the light rusty purple background. And then finally your acetate, which has got kind of like some starbursts and confetti, and again in the rose gold foil. And then on the back, it's actually, the back of the rose gold foil is a silver foil, so you've got that option as well if you want one. So that is the June box. I hope you guys like everything. As I said, we really try and mix it up every month so that it's different and you're not always getting the same thing. So last month, as I said, was minimal, monochrome and marble. And this month is really kind of more vintage inspired and not as bold. And then next month in July, it's going to be holographic foil and a lot more contrasty and bold, I guess the word is. So yeah, if you do want to subscribe, spots are still open. Today is June the 14th, I think. Yes, and spots are open until the 24th of June, or if we sell out, we've still got a few spots left, so it should be okay. Yeah, so I hope you guys like that. Let me know what you think, and now we'll move into the mystery kit. So for those of you who don't know, our June mystery kit is another, our mystery kit is another subscription service that you can get on our website, thegpstudio.com. Every month it's completely different to the sub box, so the kind of theme won't ever be the same because you do get a sticker pack with the June sub box, so we don't want to kind of repeat. So this mystery kit at the moment comes with 9 full pages of stickers plus a sampler, but actually from July onwards we will also be including at no extra cost an extra sheet of foiled stickers plus a foiled journaling card. So there is going to be a limited number, so if you want to subscribe, I highly suggest subscribing now. You'll receive the June mystery kit and then you'll definitely receive the July kit. And going forward. So yes, that's something new and exciting that we're bringing to the shop, so make sure you go and subscribe. So the first thing you get with this mystery kit is the sampler. It's a little bit bigger than our normal thank you samplers as well. As you can see already, this kit is really bright and springy and lots of pinks and blush pinks, and it's got a little bit of a picnic theme as well. So on your sampler you get a half box appointment sticker and then lots of icons and just a little bit of deco as well. Then your first sheet is your first functional sheet. You get 8 heart checklists, some sidebar items, so a sidebar checklist, 2 habit trackers, 2 bill dues, some icons, some flags, these kind of post-it sticky note stickers, some drawing pins, and then some appointment labels. Your next page is another functional sheet, so you get appointment labels, your to-do and today headers, some faux rose gold headers, 2 weekend banners, which is something new because these kits are so large, people can use them over 2 weeks, so we make sure to include 2 weekend banners now. And then all of your icons. And then these are the gorgeous full boxes. So it's one of our mixed media kits, which is where we include photography and also illustrations. So you've got this really cute girl here with your bag, your coffee cup, your quote box which says doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will, some cute little flat lays here, and then some champagne, some strawberries and a little smoothie bowl and some cherry blossoms. So it's kind of like a springy picnic kind of theme, but we kind of more just went with all of the colours and the really pretty colours in gingham pattern. Then you get your to-do boxes, your half boxes and quarter boxes, your headers and little things, your bottom washi, which is just this beautiful kind of watercoloured abstract pattern, and then your washi strips, your date covers, again that you get 2 weeks, and lots of deco with like a picnic basket, some outfits, a cake, a sandwich, some shoes and the camera. And then your last sheet you get loads of extra headers, and then you always get a double box as well. So this is a really beautiful double box with this photograph in the background, and this girl just kind of sitting having a picnic, which I just think is really, really pretty. So that is our June mystery kit. I really hope you guys like it. And with our mystery kits, you not only can subscribe, but you can buy it one off. If you do subscribe, you get 10% off, and then you're definitely guaranteed to get the extras next month and then the months going forward. So yeah, highly suggest doing that. So that is our June mystery kit. And as usual, I hope you really like it as well. Let me know what you guys think of the box and the kit. And until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Bye!